This is a brand new 2015 Chevrolet Equinox. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, Chevrolet MyLink, a smartphone adapter, XM satellite radio, Wi-Fi hotspot capability, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, steering wheel mounted controls, full power accessories, and an auxiliary power outlet. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
DuPala Chevrolet is located at 785 Central Avenue in Albany. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.